Hello everyone. In Java, string is highly used. As a beginner, let us understand the basics of Java string. A string in Java is an object that represents a sequence of characters. Strings are immutable, meaning that their value cannot be changed after they are created. Strings are created using double quotes. The string class is in the java.lang package and is available by default in all the Java programs. Strings can be concatenated using the plus operator or the concat method. Strings can be compared using the equals method or the equal operator. The length of a string can be obtained using the length method. Substring can be obtained from a string using the substring method. Strings can be searched for a specific character or substring using the indexOf and lastIndexOf methods. The string class also provides various methods for manipulating and formatting strings such as trim, toLowerCase, toUpperCase, replace, and split. Alright, then let us understand some sample codes. Okay, our first point, it was a string is a sequence of characters. So how we write string? Something like this: string, anything, name, Hamid. So what I created here, I created a string object with the name of that object is name, and I have given within double quote Hamid. So this way that we need to create a string. There is another way that we can create a string using new keyword. So that topic I'll cover in some other videos. Okay, so for today you just consider that whenever we need to create a string, we need to create a string something like this. Okay, first string class, then variable name equal, then other string that you want to create within double quote. It can be anything, say hello world, or it can be any string. Okay, so that's it for the first point. Okay, the second point is that strings are immutable, meaning that their value cannot be changed after they are created. Okay, strings are immutable by nature. Okay, so here you can see that name, let me change the name of this variable. Okay, temp. I have given the name of this variable as a temp and it is assigned hello world. So once it is assigned, you can never change that. Okay, you can reassign something else, something like this, another string is allowed, but this particular object you can never change. So this will be in the heap memory of Java. So I'll also cover this topic in some other videos. Okay, so the meaning is that once you create a Java string, you cannot change that object at all. That is the meaning. I mean, that is what we say, Java string is immutable. Okay, the third point, the strings are created using double quotes. Okay, we already seen that strings are created using the double quotes. Fourth point, the string class is in the java.lang package and is available for any other programs. Okay, so this string class, there is no requirement of writing something import java.lang.string. It is not necessary at all, because by default all the packages classes inside java.lang lang, it will be imported. So the compiler will do these things, so you no need to do anything for string class. Say that you you no need to import the string class as like this. Okay, so this is the default behavior. So okay, we can remove this. The fifth point, string can be concatenated using the plus operator or the concat method. How we can concate to string? Okay, say that I have let me write again str1 hello and string str2 world. So I want to concate these two string. How I can do that? Let me create another object, my string equal str1 plus str2. Let me print these things. Can you see that? Hello world. Let me give space here. Hello world. So how we have done it using the plus operator, we can concate two strings. We can use another way, another way to concate strings, that is you can write concate another string 1. So in this way also you can concate. Hello world. All right, now so no, I'm sorry, that it should be 2. Okay, so string 1 and string 2 we are trying to concate using the concat method, and it should replace, it should display hello world. Oh, not okay, you can see this is hello world. Okay, let me close this and open it again. Okay, the next point, strings can be compared using the equals method or the equal operator. How we can compare two strings? Oh, okay, no need to. So I want to compare to a string 1 and string 2 whether they are equal or not. Okay, so you can use that string equals method. So this is what you can do this way. Say that let me create a variable, then say that it is string 1 equals string 2. Now let me print this is equal. So the output is false. Yeah, it is obvious that the output would be false, is because both the strings are different. Say let me copy the same thing here. This time it should print true because both the strings are equal. So this way, using the equals method, we can compare two strings. So another way, there are differences between this equals method and equal operator. There is another way that I'm going to show right now. Okay, 1 2. Okay, you can see let me see, give. So I will make another video, the difference between equals and double equal. So this is very important topic in core Java. Most of the time in interview they ask this question: what is the difference between equals, these and equals method. So I'll make another video. So I don't want to make this video lengthy. So yeah, we can compare strings using two ways. One is equals method, another is double equal. Okay, next point. The length of a string can be obtained using the length method. How can I obtain the length? Okay, so int length equal 1 length. So using the length method we can get the length of a string. So how many characters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the reason we have got 5. Say that world, how many characters is there? 4. It should display 4. Oh, how many? Okay, 5. Let me give 1, 2, 3, 4. How many it should give? 5 plus 4. 9 total. Okay, and so using the length method we can find out the length of a string. Substrings can be obtained from string using the substring method. Okay, how can I get the substring from here? Okay, so let me remove this, and also this one, and string sub equal, I want to get some string from that string 1. Okay, the substring, string 1 sub string, then say that I want to, so index for string index always start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me give it 5. What? So what is the meaning here? Yeah, you can see that substring int begin index. Okay, so we have given the index 5. That means from the 5 index 5 get all the characters. So from where h is in the 0 location, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then space 5. From here get all the characters. This is the meaning of substrings. Okay, so there is another variation of this string. So you can say that 0 and 5. 0 is inclusive, 5 is exclusive. The meaning is that get the characters between from the index 0 till 4th, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So h is in 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It should give hello. Alright, so we have seen two variations of substrings. The last point is the another point is the indexOf. Strings can be searched for a specific character or substring using the indexOf. Okay, there is another method called indexOf. So like this, then type something like this. Okay, so what is the index of this particular character? H start in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It should display 10. Alright, now I want to print index of this one. So what it should give? It should give 0, because strings start from 0 index. Okay, always remember that whenever we talk about index in a string, consider that 0 is the starting point. Okay, never consider 1 is the starting of index in Java. Okay, especially in Java, all the index start from 0. Okay, so that I want to display the index of H, it should display 0. So that's it, guys.